Good afternoon, friends. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll wait for a few more minutes because only 68, 70 participants are here. We'll just wait for 5 more minutes. Visible? Yes. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we have covered operations on sets and ordered pair. Sorry, these two bits we have covered. So we will revise those bits and again we'll move towards our next bit. The types of operations on sets. It was a means it is a 4 to 5 types of operations are there which we perform on sets. In that first one is set union. Here what the set union is, the elements of A and elements of B and the common elements in A and B. Okay, we can see here the set A, set B, and then the common elements which are in set A also and B also. Okay, those we are taking in set union. Getting? We have taken the example here is if A is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13 and B is equal to 13, 14, 15, then what A union B will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 12 are the A elements, 14, 15 are the B elements, and 13 is the element which is in common with A and B sets. So we have taken that common element only once, means common element occurs only once. Okay, so it is the union operation of two sets. Then it comes the set intersection. Intersection is the intersection of sets A and B denoted by like this. This A intersection B, this inverted U is there. Okay, is the set of elements which are in both A and B. Okay, only the common elements. It is the set A, it is the set B. Only the common elements are there which come under the intersection, set intersection. Example we have taken here is 11, 12, 13 and B is 13, 14, 15. Okay. So A intersection B will be only 13 because the common element in A and B is 13 only. Okay. Getting this intersection, it is the common element 13. So A am I audible?
It is not visible.
Yes,
Ma'am.
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 Visibility problem is there, is network. आले परत. Network issue was there, but it is resolved in few seconds. So is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. Now visible.
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
Yes, yes. Okay. So what does set difference is? It is denoted by A minus B and is the set of elements which are only in A but not in B. Okay. Means here we can see uh, ए आणि बी मध्ये कॉमन असलेले एलिमेंट्स आपण कन्सिडर नाही करत आहोत. ओके, ओनली द एलिमेंट्स विच आर ओनली इन ए. ओके, ए चे असे एलिमेंट्स जे फक्त ए मध्ये आहेत, बी मध्ये नाही, म्हणजे जे कॉमन मध्ये नाही आहेत, असे फक्त एलिमेंट्स ए मायनस बी मध्ये येणार. ओके, सेम इज द केस विथ बी मायनस ए. बी मायनस ए म्हणजे काय येणार? ओनली द एलिमेंट्स विच आर इन B set, okay, not the common elements. Common elements we are not going to considering. Okay, only the B set elements. They are B minus A. Okay. Now we will see the example as A is the set 10, 11, 12, 13, and B is the set 13, 14, 15. Then what A minus B will be? 10, 11, 12. Getting 13 will not be there because 13 is there in B also. Okay, A minus B will be 10, 11, 13. Only the elements of A. Only the elements of A, not the common elements we are going to consider. Same here, B minus A. What it will be? B चे असे elements जे A मध्ये नाही आहेत. Okay, only 14, 15 is here. Getting it or no? A minus B means only the elements of set A, and B minus A is only the elements of set B. They are not there in common area or set A. Okay, it is the set difference. Here we can see A minus B is not equal to B minus A. It is clearly we can see, or logically also it is correct, because if the two sets are equal, then and then only it is possible. But here A and B are different. A is 10, 11, 12, 13, B is 13, 14, 15. Two sets are different sets. So always there is the case as A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay, it is the set difference operation. Then complement of a set. What the complement of a set is? The complement of a set A, denoted by A dash, is the set of elements which are not in set A. Okay, the elements which are not in set A are the elements in complement of a set A. Getting? Hence A dash is equal to X such that X does not belong to A. All the other elements excluding elements of A. Okay, all the other elements, the yellow part we can see, all the other elements excluding the elements of A, say elements of set A. Okay, it is the complement of a set A. If this is a set A, then this is the complement of that set A. Okay, more specifically, A dash is equal to U minus A. U is here is universal set. Okay, all the other elements which are in universal set but not in A are in A dash. Okay, example what it is taken is the set of X such that X belongs to set of odd integers. Okay, X belongs to set of odd integers. Then A dash is equal to Y such that Y does not belong to set of odd integers. Okay, is X belong to odd integers, but Y is the, it does not belong to set of odd integers. Okay, this is the complement of a set. Then the term comes is the ordered pair. What the ordered pair is? An ordered pair is a pair of numbers x, y written in a particular order. Okay, set is the unordered collection of elements, but it is not case with ordered pair. As it is ordered, the order of the elements is not going to be changed. And pair means what? Pair means whatever is there, it is there in number 2. Okay, means two coordinates are there, x, y. So it is a coordinate pair. Getting? The ordered pair xy is not same ordered pair as yx. Okay, as it is ordered, we cannot change the sequence of that uh, numbers or ordinates. Okay, means xy is not equal to yx. Xy is different, yx is different. Getting? But if values of x and y both are same, then then only it will be same, means x is equal to y. If it is there, then xy is equal to yx. Otherwise, it is the ordered pair, so xy is not the same ordered pair as yx. Okay, an ordered pair is often used to represent a point on a coordinate plane or the solution to an equation in two variables. Okay, we have solved the equations. Okay, two variable equations, then values of x and y there, they are also called as a ordered pair. Okay, or a point in a coordinate plane. Okay, the another example is a point in a coordinate plane. We define it with the x coordinate, y coordinate. X is a horizontal coordinate, y is the vertical coordinate. Okay, so that is also the ordered pair. Okay, example we can take it is of coordinate plane. Okay, ordered pairs are also called two tuples because pair is there, then tuple, it will have two elements. So it will be also called as two tuples or sequences of length 2. Okay, length will be 2 in any case because it is pair. Okay, it is named as pair. Pair means 2 in number. Okay, in the ordered pair A, B, the object A is called as first entry and the object B is called the second entry of the pair. Okay, A is the first entry of the pair and B is the second entry of the pair. Alternatively, the objects are called the first and second components, the first and second coordinates, or the left and right projections of the ordered pair. Okay, means many names are there for that
Ma'am, what does
ordered.
it mean sequence of length 2?
Sequence means sequence, sequentially we write anything. Okay, and length 2 means it will have only two elements. Length 2 it will be a sequence तुम्ही कशाचाही लिहू शकता. ओके, ABCD 1 2 3 4, गेटिंग ऑर नॉट, किंवा कशाचाही सिक्वेन्स असू शकतो अजून. Any names will be there, or parts of body, or sequence of names of flowers, sequence of names of animals, like that. Any sequence will be there, but in ordered pair, the length of that sequence will be 2 only, because it is already in the name, it is as pair. Yes or no?
Means it should contain most two elements only.
At most 2 elements will be there, not more than 2. Okay, because
Okay, ma'am.
name is there ordered pair. In some sequential order will be there, fixed order will be there that we cannot change. And pair means 2, जोडी. मराठी अर्थ पेअर ह्याचा काय आहे? जोडी. जोडी म्हणल्यावर आपण काय म्हणतो? दोनचीच असते ना जोडी.
Yes, ma'am.
That is that same. Okay. Sequences of length 2. Then there are given different names for that. Means A is the first entry, B is the second entry. Then that A and B are also called as first and second components. They can also be called as first and second coordinates, or the left and right projections of the ordered pair. Okay, it is about the ordered pairs. Now this term is useful means ordered pair term is useful for Cartesian product, which is the operation, most important operation on the set. Okay, Cartesian product. In that we require the ordered pairs. So firstly we studied the ordered pairs, and now we are going to see the most important concept of Cartesian product. Okay, so we will see the Cartesian product concepts. Now, the Cartesian product of two sets A and B denoted by A cross B. Cross is compulsory there. If Cartesian product we are going to take, then cross is compulsory. Okay, that denoted by A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs. Okay, it is the set of all ordered pairs A, B, where A is in set A and B is in set B. Okay. Ordered pair कशी लिहिली आहे parenthesis मध्ये A, B. Okay. In that A is from capital A and B is from capital B. Capital A and capital B, what are those? Those are the sets A and B. We are going to take Cartesian product of sets A and B. It will be denoted by A cross B. And what will be there? It will be the set of A cross B. What it will be? It will be the set of all ordered pairs A, B, where A is in set A and B is in set B. Okay. In terms of set builder notation, it will be written as A cross B is the set of A, B. Okay. A cross B is the set of small a, small b, such that that vertical line is called as such that in case of set theory. Okay. A comma B such that small a belongs to set A and small b belongs to set B. Getting? You will get with the example how the Cartesian product is taken. Now we'll move further. A table can be created by taking the Cartesian product of a set of rows and a set of columns. If the Cartesian product rows in cross columns is taken, the cells of the table contain ordered pairs of the form row value, comma, column value. Okay. Now see in the diagram. Okay, what it is given? A is the set X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the elements of set A, X, Y, Z. You can see my cursor now as I am moving it. Okay, then B is the second set. What does it contain? 1, 2, 3. A set is denoted by red color and B set is denoted by green color. Okay, and the Cartesian product taken here is in the form of table. Okay, it is A cross B. It is, if we take the two sets A and B, their Cartesian product, we are going to define in the scope of the table. Okay. A's elements are X, Y, Z, and B's elements are 1, 2, 3. So, how we are going to consider here is in this cell, what it will be X and 1. Okay. X and 1. Then in the second, what it will be X. Horizontally, we are going to consider X, and vertically, we are going to consider 2. Okay. Then this X comma 3. Horizontally, horizontal value, that is X, will be considered in the first, and 3 will be considered later. Okay. It is X1, X2, X3. It is the Cartesian product with X1, X2, X3. Okay, these are the 3 elements there. Then we consider the second row. Okay, Y1. Y is the row, 1 is the column. Then Y2. Y is the row, 2 is the column. Then Y3. Again, Y is the row, 3 is the column. So X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3. Okay. And last but here it is Z, row Z. Okay. And for that, the first tuple will be Z and 1. Okay. Means Z is the row, 1 is the column. Then Z2. Z is the row, 2 is the column. And in the last cell, we can see here Z is the row, 3 is the column. All of you get it? How we are going to define the Cartesian product of 2 sets? All of you get this? How we are going?
ma'am.
How we are going to take the Cartesian product? All the elements of 2 sets are going to be in ordered pairs. Okay. See, does it satisfy our definition? The Cartesian product of 2 sets A and B, denoted by A cross B, is the set of all ordered pairs A and B. It contains all ordered pairs. Yes or no? All the ordered pairs. X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, Z1, Z2, Z3. Okay. 2 sets are there, A and B. Then Cartesian product will be all the ordered pairs in which the first element will be from first set, and second element will be from second set. Okay. So if we take A and B as the sets, and A is X, Y, Z, B is 1, 2, 3, then all the elements will be there, like X1, X2, X3, Y1, Y2, Y3, and Z1, Z2, Z3. All the ordered pairs are here. All combinations we have tried. So it is the A cross B. In diagram we can say, see the set A, which is in the red color, set B, which is in the green color, and A cross B, a Cartesian product of A and B, is shown in blue color. All of you get it? How the Cartesian product
Yes,
is
ma'am.
taken? कळालंय सगळ्यांना? All the elements with yes.
And ma'am, at the last, all these order pair we have to write in a single set, and that will be
Your voice is not audible. It's breaking in middle. Who is talking?
hello.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
at
yes.
last we have to wrote all these correct order pair in this one set, and
In
that could be our
yes,
Cartesian of given
yes,
our set.
yes, yes, yes. Just for your understanding, it is given in the uh, table manner. Okay. If we have to write all the pairs like this. Okay. A and B means first element will be x1, second element will be x2, then x3, then y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3. All these elements we have to write in curly braces. Okay. It will be the Cartesian product A cross B. Then example, it will be clear with the help of example. Now we can see. Coordinate plane is taken for the example. In order to represent geometrical shapes in a numerical way, it is assigned to each point in the plane a pair of real numbers called its coordinates. Usually, such pairs, first and second components, are called its x and y coordinates respectively. Already we know this theory. Okay. Uh, I will show with the cursor. Here we are assigning the points. Okay. For assigning the point this 2, 3. Okay. Can you see this point 2, 3? Means horizontally it will be 2 and vertically it will be at height 3. So the point we plot it at 2, 3, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the positive numbers we are giving here. And as we go in this direction, that is left direction and down direction, we take the minus numbers. So in this plane, if I want to take the number as -3, 1, I will go horizontally to -3 and vertically to 1. Here I will plot my point. Okay, it is the -3, 1. That is, it is minus plus. Okay, because vertically it is going and leftward it is going. Okay, when point is going to leftward and downward, it is the negative plane. Both the ordinates will be negative. Here we can say minus 1.5. Okay, 1.5, which is going to be at left side. It will be for the length, and for height it will be minus 2.5. It is given as minus 2.5 means downwards 2.5 operation or point we can plot there in minus 1.5 minus 2.5. 1.5 is the x value and 2.5 is the y value. Okay, it is not going to change. Same 0, 0 is given here. If we take example of if I want the point 3 minus 3, okay, what I want is 0.3 minus 3. How I will go? 3 minus 3 means x is 3, so it is positive. Here I will consider this 3. Then y is minus 3. Okay, y means vertical component, and that y is minus 3. So here it comes the minus 3 and here it comes the 3. So there will be 3 minus 3 point will be here on your graph paper. You can see that 3 minus 3 point we have taken for the understanding. Okay, you have to revise now this coordinate plane. Okay, how it will be? Again, it is the example of Cartesian product. Okay, for means we can plot all these points when we will be having values of this x, y, z. We can plot all these values in coordinate plane also. So while studying Cartesian product operations, we are going to see the graphs like this. Okay, so that example of this graph is taken here at the first. Okay, while studying the operations, we need this. So example taken here is this one. Okay, now we will again move towards the non-commutativity and non-associativity. Okay, these are two again different laws which will be which we will consider for the Cartesian product. Okay, which are the concepts there we have studied for sets, or in the first chapter for mathematical logic, that all those things we are going to study about this Cartesian product also. Okay, so what the commutativity means? What, one of you tell me what is commutative? If two expressions or two propositions are commutative to each other, means what? Tell me. Yes. Yes, who is going to tell? Or shall I ask?
Product of A into B is not equal to same as B into A.
It is given in the slide for Cartesian product. You just have to tell me that what is commutative. Means I say P and Q are commutative, then what it will be? Yes.
P equal to Q and Q
We
equal
did in
to
first
Ma'am.
chapter mathematical. Yes. If
If we take addition, suppose P plus Q is equal to Q plus P. It is
yes,
commutative.
I want, yes, I want this one, the simple example. What is commutative means? If in operation you change the order of the elements, then it is not going to change the meaning. Means if I write P plus Q, okay, it is going giving the same value, P plus Q. And if I write Q plus P, then also it is same as P plus Q. It is commutative, means I write 1 plus 10, it will be 11. And if I write 10 plus 1, it will be also 11. It is not going to change the result. So this is the commutative law. कळालं सगळ्यांना what is commutative law?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So in case of Cartesian product, it is not equal. Getting? The Cartesian product A cross B is not commutative. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay. Examples, we will see with the help of examples. See. A is 1, 2. First example, see. If A is the set containing the two elements 1 and 2, and B is the set containing the elements 3 and 4. Okay. So what we can write for A cross B, that is A Cartesian product of sets A and B, 1, 2, set 1, 2 cross set 3, 4. Okay, you can see here. I will move the cursor. So we are A cross B is what? A is 1, 2 cross B is 3, 4. Okay, So how we are going to take product here, Cartesian product? 1, 3 will be the first element. Then 1, 4 will be the second element. Then 2, 3 is the third element, and 2, 4 is the fourth element. You can see here 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is the Cartesian product of these two sets. हे कोणाला कळालं नाहीये? सगळ्यांना कळालंय? Yes, tell me how we are going to take the Cartesian product. All the elements of ordered pairs. In that, the first element will be from first set and second element will be from second set. Here we are taking set 1, 2 cross 3, 4. How it will be? 1, 3 will be the first element, 1, 3. Then 1, 4. 1, 4 will be the second element. 1 is from set A and 3 is from set B. Again here 1 is from set A, 4 is from set B. Then 2, 3. Then 2 is from set A, 3 is from set B. And 2, 4 will be the last element. 2, 4. 2 is from set A, 4 is from set B. Okay. Cartesian product कसा घेतात कळालं का सगळ्यांना? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what we want to do is B cross A, because what we have to see is A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay. So B cross A, what it will be? 3, 4 cross 1, 2. Then what the Cartesian product will be? 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, and 4, 2. Okay. We clearly can see 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. This is these two sets, that is Cartesian product of A and B and Cartesian product of B and A, are not same. So we can say that Cartesian product of A cross B is not commutative. Okay, these two are not commutative because these are the ordered pairs. We cannot change the order. Okay, 1, 3 is there, and here it is the first element is 3, 1. See from the cursor. Okay. See from the cursor here. 1, 3 is the first element of A cross B, and 3, 1 is the first element of the B cross A. Okay. Both are actually having 1 and 3 as the elements. Okay, 1 is there in this also and this also. 3 is here also and there also. But as these are the ordered pairs, we cannot change the order. Okay, so both these are different one. Getting? Both of these are different one because these are the ordered pairs and we cannot change the order of the elements in ordered pairs. Okay, so the Cartesian product of A cross B is not commutative. Okay, then if the two sets are equal, okay, A is equal to B is equal to 1, 2. Okay, both these sets are equal. Then what the case, exceptional cases are these one. Okay, see here, A cross B, okay, is equal to B cross A. Why it will be? These example 2 and 3 are the exceptions. Okay, what the exceptions? See here in the second example, A and B both are same. Okay, so we can write A cross B equal to B cross A. Getting? And 1, 2 cross 1, 2. Only one set is going to be there. Two different sets will not be there for A cross B and B cross A, because A is equal set of B set, okay, is the equal to B. So 1 2 cross 1 2, what it will be? 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Okay, this will be the Cartesian product of A and B, which are equal sets. Okay, A is 1 2 and B is also 1 2. So in this case, we can write A cross B is equal to B cross A. All of you getting the exception? Yes. एक्सेप्शन काय आलं का, जेव्हा ए आणि बी दोन्ही सेट इक्वल असतील. इक्वल सेट्स म्हणजे काय? जेव्हा त्यांचे एलिमेंट्स सेम असतील. ए आणि बी दोन्ही एलिमेंट्स सेम असतील त्यावेळेस त्या सेट्सना इक्वल सेट्स म्हणतात. इथं आपल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ते सेट आहे 1 2. ओके, ए इज ऑल्सो 1 2, बी इज ऑल्सो 1 2. सो इफ आय टेक ए क्रॉस बी, it will be equal to B cross A. Yes or no? It is 1 2 cross 1 2. कारण A पण 1 2 आहे, B पण 1 2 आहे. किंवा B क्रॉस A आपण असे लिहू शकतो. 1 2 ला B असेल आणि हे 1 2 A पण असू शकेल. ओके, कळतंय हे सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, so we can write it like this also, and the Cartesian product will be like this: 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. So it is the exceptional case for commutativity. Okay, now another exceptional case we can see here is A equal to 1 2 and B is 5. Okay, 5 means what? Empty set. We have seen empty set. A is 1 2 and B is 5. Then what there will be? A Cartesian product B, that is A cross B will be 1 2 cross 5, and the answer will be 5. No set will be there because 5 is null set. We cannot take product of 5 with any other equation. Any other set. Okay, so A cross B will be 5 and B cross A will also be 5, because it will be denoted like 5 into means 5 cross the set 1 2. Again there will be 5 there. So in this case also, which is this case, one of the sets is null set. Okay, if we have given two sets and one of those two sets, that set is 5. 5 means null set. Then also A cross B is equal to B cross A. Okay, A cross B is not equal to B cross A means Cartesian product of sets A and B is not commutative. Only two exceptions are there, and those two exceptions are here we have taken. If two sets are equal sets, given two sets are equal sets, or given the two sets, one of that set is 5, that is a null set. कळालं? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Two exceptions काय आहेत सांगा मला.
Equal आणि
Two sets are equal, then also A cross B is equal to B cross A, and if one of the two sets is null set, then also A cross B is equal to B cross A. Okay, these two are the exceptional cases. Otherwise Cartesian product is not commutative. Okay, now we will see how those are non-associative. Then first tell me what the associativity is. Yes, associativity. Who will tell me what is associativity?
In bracket A into B, bracket complete into C is equal
Hmm.
to A into in bracket B into C.
Okay, means two sides are equal, even if the parentheses are there. Means anywhere the parenthesis will be, but two operations will be same if we change the order. Okay, so it is the associativity, but the Cartesian product is not associative. Okay, the Cartesian product is not associative also. Means if we consider A cross B first and then we take Cartesian product of that A cross B with set C, that is not equal to Cartesian product of B cross C, and if we take the Cartesian of that B cross C with A, that is not associative. Okay, if for example here we have only exceptional case, what is here, unless one of the involved set is empty. Okay, if empty set is there, then only the associativity is there. Okay, in case of one of the set is empty means again 5 will be there. Okay, example here taken is we can see A is equal to 1. Okay, unit set is there, A is unit set. Then if we take A cross A cross A, first two A's are in parenthesis, what it will come, 1 1 in parenthesis and then again 1. Okay, and it is not equal to 1 comma in parenthesis 1 1, because in parenthesis 1 1 it is the ordered pair. Okay, again in curly brace we are giving the set. Okay, this 1 1 is one element. Okay, this 1 1, this 1 1, yeah, just a minute, I will explain it with white board. Okay, okay, this is the first element of Cartesian product. Okay, getting, and this one is the second element. Okay, it is the Cartesian product of A with itself, means A cross A cross A. Okay, 3 times we have taken the Cartesian product of A element. Okay, and also it is saying that it is not equal to, I will write not equal to like this. Okay, it is not equal to set 1. Okay, 1 comma 1. What it is saying, and it is not associative. Okay, in case of unit set also it is possible there, it is not the associative. Okay, means A cross B, we will give parenthesis here, cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Okay, it is the associative law, and here example taken is A is the set okay, A is the set having element 1 only, that is the unit set, and therefore it is taken as it is only the example given here. Okay, did you get this? Yes, it is the associativity, and this associativity is also not there. Okay,
Or
if we
X
if we
not
can
equal to, ma'am.
yes, we will consider another example here. Suppose uh, A is the set mm, P comma Q. Okay, then B is the set 1 comma 2, and C is the set what we can take it as R comma S. Okay, A, B, C. We have taken these two sets. Okay, now all of you take your notebooks and pens. I'll give you 5 minutes. Just take, you have to prove this one. Getting A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. And take the A, B, C like this. A is the set PQ, B is the set 1, 2, and C is the set RS. All of you will do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Just go for this. I'll give you 5 minutes. Go for this. A cross B cross C is not equal to A cross B cross C. Take all these values that I have given you. I will also do simultaneously with you. Don't worry. All of you can see here where my cursor is. I just first calculated A cross B. It came like P1, P2, Q1 and Q2. And then again, I took the cross product of A cross B with cross C. Okay, means I considered the C set here. Then A cross B cross C. How it I did here? I first took the first element of A cross B, that is P1, and that I taken the cross product with C's first element R. So my first element is P1 R. Okay. Then second element is for this one element from A cross B and second element from C, P1 S. Okay, now I completed with the first element, the combinations with first element. Then second element, P2. Okay, P2 I paired with R, I paired with S. So here it comes P2 R, P2 S. Then I took the third element of A cross B, that is Q1, and I paired it with the set C, Q1 R, this one element, Q1 R. Then next element will be Q1 S. Q1 is paired with S. Here it comes the Q1 S. Then the last element of A cross B, Q2, that I paired with the uh, elements of C set, Q2 R and Q2 S. So how my A cross B cross C came? Can all of you see and all of you understand? कळालं का हे सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
मग ओके, दुसरं कॅल्क्युलेट केलं का तुम्ही? A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C. त्यामध्ये B क्रॉस C हा प्रॉडक्ट तुम्हाला पहिल्यांदा घ्यावा लागेल. ओके, असा चालाय का सगळ्यांचा कार्टेशियन प्रॉडक्ट जसं मी काढलाय
Yes,
तसं?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सेकंड स्टेप काय करणार तुम्ही? पहिल्यांदा B क्रॉस C करणार. ओके, आणि मग त्याचा कार्टेशियन प्रॉडक्ट विथ A घेणार. ओके, येस ऑर नो?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
केलंय का कोणी? ते पण मी करून दाखवू का?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
येत आहे? त्यामध्ये तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा A चे एलिमेंट्स कन्सिडर करणार आहात. ओके,
Yes,
पहिल्यांदा
ma'am.
A चे एलिमेंट्स कन्सिडर करणार आणि मग नंतर B क्रॉस C चे एलिमेंट्स कन्सिडर करणार. म्हणजे पॅरेंथेसिस मध्ये तुम्हाला सेकंड एलिमेंट मिळणार. ओके, सो हियर वी कॅन क्लिअरली से दॅट कार्टेशियन products are not associative also. Getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, आता मी जे हे तुम्हाला 3 सेट्सचा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट्स घेऊन दाखवला. ओके, आता आपण एक्झाम्पल म्हणून घेतला सॉल्व्ह करताना. इथं आपल्याला असोसिएटिव्ह लॉ पण प्रूव्ह झाला की कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट्स असोसिएटिव्ह नसतात. आणि अजून एक यातून आपण काय शिकलो? कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मल्टिपल सेट्स. ओके, ही पण आपल्याला आहे बिट. लास्ट बिट ऑफ दिस चॅप्टर इज दिस वन, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मल्टिपल सेट्स. ओके, 2 सेट्सचा आपल्याला इझिली घेता येतो, पण मल्टिपल सेट्स असेल तर त्याचा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट घ्यायला अवघड जातं. ओके, सो 3 सेट्सचा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट कसा घ्यायचा तो आपण इथे शिकलो. आणि असेच नंबर्स वाढत गेले तरी असाच कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट घेत जायचा असतो. ओके, आपण हे म्हणजे नंतर शेवटच्या बिट मध्ये बघूया. मला सांगा, हे सगळ्यांना कळालंय का जस्ट फक्त काहीच मुलं फक्त सांगतात कळालंय? सगळ्यांना कळालंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
नक्की?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I
Yes, ma'am.
ask with the names?
Yes, ma'am.
Sakshi
Yes.
Nikam. Sakshi Nikam, unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you performed? नोटबुक आणि पेन घेऊन तुम्ही हे परफॉर्म केलंय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Show me. Turn on your camera.
Can you see it, ma'am?
No. Can all others see? बाकीच्यांना कोणाला दिसतंय का?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Division A, roll number 49, Chetan. Chetan, are you there? Division B, roll number 19, Aparna. Aparna, Division A, roll number 66, Amrut. All of you can hear me or not? What is the case? माझा आवाज येत नाहीये का? मी ज्यांची नाव येते कोणीच अनम्यूट पण करत नाही. Just take efforts of unmuting yourself. If I take your name. बरं, विलिंगली ज्यांनी कोणी परफॉर्म केलंय विलिंगली स्वतःहून कोणाला असं वाटतंय का की आपण कॅमेरा ऑन करावा आणि दाखवावं? येस. कोणालाच असं वाटत नाही का की आपण जे करतोय ते दाखवावं? का कोणी करतंय का नाही?
Yes, ma'am. I see.
Yes, show me who is there. What's your name?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Mihir, are you going to show? Yes, I can see. Good one. You are using Blackboard and all those things for practicing. It's such a nice, what we can say, practice that you are doing. Very good. I'm really impressed.
Can I, ma'am?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else is there who want to show?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure. What is your name?
Yes, Kaular, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Division ACR. Yes. Show. Yes, we are not able to see. Okay. Good.
No, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I can see. Okay. So these are not associative that you got. Now we will move
Yes,
toward the intersections, unions, and subsets. Okay. Now again, for this we will see how the sets are given. Here we are considering the 4 sets A, B, C, and D. Okay. The Cartesian product satisfies the following property with respect to intersections. Okay. Now see what this property is. A intersection B cross C intersection D. Okay. Now in figure here you can see.
Hello, ma'am. Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Not visible.
Okay, just a minute.
Visible, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Visible, but whiteboard is there.
Okay. Just a minute, I will share the screen. Okay. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now
Now
visible.
visible.
Yes, yes. Intersections, unions, and subsets. We are here. The Cartesian product satisfies the following property with respect to intersections. Here we have considered the four sets A, B, C, and D. What the property is here? See, A intersection B. Okay, intersection means what? The common elements are in A and B. Okay, cross intersection of C and D. C intersection D means what again? The common elements of C and D is equal to A cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross D. Okay, intersection B cross D. Getting this one, this property. Now we will see it with the help of this graph. Can you see the graph? It is actually not that you just zoom your screen, okay, in your screen, because in mobile if I zoom my screen I can see clearly. If you are using mobiles, you just zoom your mobile screen, it is visible. What I can see is this a uh, a set is what? The red line given, okay, uh, at x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate, the red line is denoting that it is the set A. Okay, getting means A means A's elements are 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, A's elements are 2, 3, 4, 5. B's elements are, I can see it with the help of green line B. These are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What these are? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the horizontal line. Now you can see the set C at the vertical line. Okay, what it is? It is 1, 2, 3. C is set 1, 2, 3, and D is the set what? 2, 3, 4. Okay, with the green line we can see the set 2, 3, 4. D, set D. इथपर्यंत काय आलं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to consider is Cartesian product of A and C. Okay, the red lines, red sets, set A and set C. Cartesian product of set A and set C will be the red light that is given. Okay, means the square, sorry, rectangle which comes in color red. Okay, and Cartesian product of set B and set D, it is given with the color green. Okay, now the intersection of these Cartesian products A cross C and B cross D, it is denoted by yellow color. That is also visible to you, yellow color. It is intersection of A cross C and B cross D. Okay, it is RHS of our equation which is given in the slide. RHS, you can see A cross C intersection B cross D. Okay, okay, yellow part is the intersection of A cross C and B cross D. Okay. Now we want to identify that what is A cross B, sorry, A intersection B. What the A intersection B is? This is the yellow line we can see. A intersection B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and C intersection D is the yellow line given here
In vertical.
at the Y coordinate, vertical. So the cross product of A intersection B and C intersection D is again coming same, means LHS of our equation. It is denoted by yellow region. So by graphically, we can see that A intersection B cross C intersection D is equal to A cross C intersection B cross D. Okay. This is the intersection property of Cartesian product. Okay. If we consider the four sets and intersection of those Cartesian products, we are going to get this. Okay. Now, all of you write down the sets A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, what you have to do is set A is 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you have to solve this and prove this. Okay. Write down. A is the set 2, 3, 4, 5. B is the set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B is the set 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C is the set 1, 2, 3. And D is the set 2, 3, 4. D is the set 2, 3, 4. So what all of you have to do is A intersection B cross C intersection D is equal to A cross C intersection B cross D. All of you have to prove this with the example of sets A, B, C, D. Will you do, or shall I explain?
Yes, ma'am.
I will also explain. New share will be there. Okay. You just tell me the set values that I told you. A, what was A?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What was B?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. D is equal to
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see, what we have to prove is, firstly, what we have to prove is A intersection B into C intersection D.